you. So many of you are probably listening wondering how to get started. So I just want to talk quickly about the easiest way to get started with the oils and how most of us get started today. In our global Young Living community, we have thousands of people across the world who have joined our community of oils. Many people get started using our starter kit. So Young Living has these awesome starter kits which are bundled at a lower price. They also give you not only some of the most popular oils to start with, but you get a membership that you can use whenever you want for 25% discount for the rest of your life. So you go in your own personal store for natural products. You select what products you want and they ship them directly to your door. I really like it because it's so simple and it works. Young Living also has an optional monthly ordering program called Essential Rewards. And basically with every order that is over 50, you start enjoying the benefits and you receive free points to purchase free products. You receive discounted shipping. So it's totally amazing. And after your first year of ordering this way, so after my first year of ordering, I started earning 25% back, which means for every dollar that I make. So my monthly orders are usually between 100 and 200. Because I'm ordering essential oils that have been used up, I'm ordering supplements, skincare, toothpaste, hand wash, laundry detergent, cleaning concentrate, lots of things. You know, all those things that I was buying before, I just healthy swap them and I redirect and order them through my Young Living membership. And now I get $45 of free oils every single month because my order is about 100. On one hand, you are earning points for free products, and on the other hand, you're receiving reduced shipping. So it's super cool. It's just a great way to get started with a healthy lifestyle. And just as I said, you kind of redirect where you are spending. Instead of going to the drugstore or a supermarket, you are buying all of your products through your membership and in a way that is much healthier for your family. So I have a link there on your screen that you can type in. You just go to your web browser and type in www.essentialoilhq.com.au/get started. You will see my essential oil guide pop up, which will walk you through a little bit more on how to set up your account. You can find more on the website about the oils, our team, and the community, and how to get started. So I give you some easy ways to get started, but of course I give you my email address at the end of this class if you want to reach out. But the monthly ordering system that I mentioned is awesome. You see it up at the screen that there are a lot of products that don't come in the starter kit that you probably want to try during the year to use your discount. So you can set up that monthly anytime and it's totally optional. You're not locked in to anything. But many people, including myself, use the wholesale membership to purchase this way. When you get started in our community, you get access to our global essential oil community on Facebook. You also get some welcome goodies, a big bag full of love and value for those that we are helping to get started. You get an ebook with all the information that I shared today, a welcome email that has a selection of all my favorite essential oil recipes, and you can come for free to our next workshop and you will receive a free Thieves spray bottle. And one of the things that I really love to do is to hop on a phone and talk with you about how to integrate the oils. You can ask 3 questions you have that I maybe didn't answer today. And I would like to do a quick overview of your membership and all the things that are included. Plus, I'll give you access to all the education available. You'll get access to tons of monthly trainings. So you can really start your journey learning about all of the different ways you can impact your life using essential oils. You have a couple of trainings that I have personally put together for you. I have got a class called Make and Take. I've got oils, now what? So this is a class where I teach you about some of the other ways how to use and blend oils. So you have workshops about supporting the immune system with our naturopath, a cooking class with essential oils, a chocolate making class, a skincare and hair care, and a yoga and meditation class with essential oils. So you know how to really build a lifestyle using the oils and living a healthy life. I also have a workshop for you on how to reduce toxic load. And lastly, a topic which you will love, supporting emotional balance. This is so important in this moment. Young Living has an emotional aromatherapy kit. It's amazing. You know, putting these tools into people's hands to support them emotional in a way they never have before. I just love that approach, that support. So lots for you there. The last thing that I want to mention, some of you listen to me today. You may be in a health community. You may be a nutrition nerd, a naturopath, health coach, a massage therapist. You may be a yoga teacher or chiropractor, or you might be someone like me driven to help other people live a healthier life and to build a community of like-minded people. If that speaks to you at all, I would love to speak to you further. We have an amazing team of business builders. You can see some of them on the screen. I would love to mentor you in growing your essential oil business, and we have a key support system in place. We have a weekly call for a couple of months, and we also have an over 100 pages long business manual for you on how to start your business. So we have one of the most thriving essential oil businesses in the world, and we attract amazing women in our business. I believe in Simon's philosophy. People don't buy what you sell, they believe in what you believe. And in fact, that's why we are here today. We share a similar viewpoint on the body and on the earth and how we are meant to feel. And you probably feel the way I felt a couple of years ago when I knew there had to be a better way. I just wasn't sure how to start. And that's what I really am inviting you today. Consider there being a better way. Consider taking a different approach in life. I want you to feel empowered to reclaim your health for yourself and your family, to take a natural approach. So let's connect. There is my email on the screen, karen.fudge@gmail.com, or you can hop on my website www.essentialoilhq.com.au. And I want to just wrap up with this quote. Isn't it funny how day by day nothing changes, but when you look back, everything is different? So commit to that. Commit to you. 20 years from now, looking back and saying, I'm so glad I made those changes, even though I didn't feel at that time I was making those little shifts. So thank you for joining me, guys, and I would love to help you get started. Please just message me if you have any questions at all. Have a great day. Peace, love, and oils.